Hello and welcome to the Getting Started video for your elementary stats course. I'm Professor Gendron. First, you're going to see when you log in the page for announcements. That is where anything that I need to tell you is going to go. It's also most of the time going to be emailed to you at your Westfield State address. But I want to draw your attention to the Start Here section. This is where you will find this video. I'm actually updating it from this current version right now. Your syllabus, which I will go over in a moment. Your article reader, which will be updated to a different file name by the time you see this video. Your file submission policy and how to submit your work. I'm very particular about this, so you need to make sure that you follow these policies. The calendar of release and due dates. There are 5 sections in this class, each with a separate release date. Everything from each section is due the day before the next section is released. There are other things that are very important on this page, such as the elementary statistics rubric, which is what I'll be using to grade most of your assignments, some frequently asked questions, a reference sheet, an abbreviation key, the data sets for all the textbook problems that you'll be doing, a link to post your bio so I can know a little bit about you, transcripts for if you need the transcripts to the videos. This is a great resource, the Practically Cheating Stats Handbook and the Practically Cheating Stats TI-83 Companion. These are 2 really great resources to help you with statistics. A link for you to download Microsoft Office from Westfield State for free. A link to OpenOffice, which is also free, and a link to Google Sheets, which is also free. These 3 tools are how you will get me the documents and the Excel sheets, depending on your choice or technological capabilities. I prefer that you use Microsoft Office, but if you have to use Google Sheets, I understand. OpenOffice isn't really even a thing anymore. That I know of, but it still works. It's a free open source alternative to Microsoft Office or Google Sheets. I also provided a link to Khan Academy's statistics section. You can't see this section. I'm going to make it available, so if you need ADA compliant videos, they are, and files, they'll be right here. So that is your Getting Started page. All of your lessons will show up on this left-hand side. You right now should only be able to see section 1, the to-do list, what is stats graph, and section 1 project. You'll also see the headers of section 2, section 3, section 4, and section 5. Those will all be released according to this calendar. So let's look at the discussion boards. I want to show you the discussion boards before I go. These discussion boards are going to be very much part of your statistics life. For each project, I have you collect data and post it so that I can keep track of your participation in the course. So as you as you ask your classmates for data, and as you post the data or get data posted to you, I'll be keeping track of that so that I know that you are working towards stuff in our course. And the data that we collect in Project 1, you will use in Project 2. And the data you collect in Project 3, you'll use in Project 4. There are no tests or quizzes, just 5 projects, textbook sets, and reading responses. And I go more in depth in the syllabus review, which has its own video. The video is a little old for the course because it is 2020. I believe this video was filmed in 2015, but everything on the syllabus is pretty much the same thing. So you should be okay there. So I hope you have a wonderful time with the course. Email me with any questions. Do not email me through the messaging tool here. Actually, I didn't even make it available to you. Don't email me through Plato. Email me directly to my email address at westfieldstate.edu or westfield.ma.edu. And office hours. I'm going to include a video on how to use office hours. Actually, I'll just do it now. Click on the office hours, and it goes to this beautiful tool called Blackboard Collaborate. You're going to join the session, and then you can talk to me. This is a wonderful tool. We can turn on the microphone. You can share video. See, you can share video. And there are other tools that will pop up in a second that you can use in this tool itself. So we will be using this tool quite in depth for office hours, which I will post when my office hours are, because they change every semester. Hope that is a thorough coverage of a getting started area. And yeah, good luck with class.